Welcome to SK English Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today we will learn about feelings and emotions. Are you ready? Let's go. Happy. Happy. Example: I am eating my favorite cookie. I am happy. Sad. Sad. Example: my toy is broken. I am sad.
Excited. Excited.
Example:
I got a new toy. I am excited. Angry. Angry.
Example:
my friend is taking my pencil. I am angry. Tired. Tired.
Example:
I am playing football outside. I am tired. Cold. Cold.
Example:
it is snowing. I am cold. Hot. Hot.
Example:
it is very sunny. I am hot. Surprised. Surprised.
Example:
I see a big cake. I am surprised. Nervous. Nervous.
Example:
I have a test tomorrow. I am nervous. Bored. Bored.
Example:
I am waiting for the bus. I am bored. Relaxed. Relaxed.
Example:
I am lying on the sofa. I am relaxed. Proud. Proud.
Example:
I won the championship. I am proud. Shy. Shy.
Example:
Everyone is looking at her. She is shy. Scared. Scared.
Example:
I see a ghost. I am scared. Sleepy. Sleepy.
Example:
I am reading a book. I am sleepy. Silly. Silly.
Example:
I am making a funny face. I am silly. Embarrassed. Embarrassed.
Example:
My stomach made a noise. I am embarrassed. Jealous. Jealous.
Example:
He has a new phone. I am jealous. Shocked. Shocked.
Example,
A fish is walking on the road. I am shocked. Confused. Confused.
example,
I don't know where to go. I am confused.